Before gyms existed, before supplements flooded the market, before fitness became complicated, a man who lived over 2,000 years ago already knew the secret. Hippocrates once said, "Walking is man's best medicine," and science has spent the last century proving he was right. Walking doesn't cost money. It doesn't punish your joints. It doesn't demand perfection. Yet, quietly, it rewires your brain, protects your heart, strengthens your body, and calms your mind. Stay with me till the end, because I'll reveal the FIT formula, a simple system that turns walking into a full-body upgrade. But first, tie your laces mentally, because what you're about to hear might change how you see walking forever. Your brain gets sharper, not slower. Your brain doesn't age because of time, it ages because of inactivity. A study at the University of Kansas found that simple walking delays cognitive decline and lowers the risk of dementia. Why? Because walking physically enlarges the hippocampus, the brain's memory and learning center. More movement equals more brain volume. More brain volume equals stronger memory. Over 35 million people worldwide suffer from Alzheimer's, and that number is climbing fast. Walking doesn't just help you remember things, it helps you remember yourself. Your eyes feel the impact, in a good way. Sounds strange, right? Legs improving eyesight? Walking lowers pressure inside the eyes, one of the main triggers of glaucoma. The Glaucoma Research Foundation even recommends walking as a frontline defense. But there's more. Exercise activates the visual cortex, the part of your brain that processes sight. You're not just protecting your eyes, you're sharpening the brain that interprets what they see. Your heart learns to breathe again. Most people think only running counts. They're wrong. According to the American Heart Association, walking is just as powerful as running for preventing heart disease and stroke. 30 minutes a day can lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol, and improve circulation. No exhaustion, no punishment, just consistency. Your lungs expand their capacity. Walking is aerobic, meaning oxygen flows deeper, faster, and cleaner through your body. Every step trains your lungs to breathe more efficiently. Better breathing means better immunity. Better immunity means fewer illnesses. Nature already gave you the medicine. You just have to step into it. Your pancreas finally gets a break. Here's a shocker. A study from Duke University found that walking improved blood sugar control 6 times more than running. Why? Because walking trains your cells to absorb sugar efficiently, without overworking insulin. Less stress on your pancreas, lower diabetes risk, smarter metabolism. Your digestive system starts moving with you. Walking doesn't just move your legs, it moves your gut. 30 minutes a day reduces colon cancer risk, improves digestion, and regulates bowel movements. In massive population studies, people who walked regularly survived colon cancer at higher rates than those who didn't. Movement doesn't just prevent disease, sometimes it fights it. Your muscles tone without punishment. No gym? No problem. Walking 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day can reshape your body, especially with hills or intervals. No soreness, no recovery days, just posture, rhythm, and momentum. And yes, fat loss follows. Your bones grow stronger with every step. Your joints crave movement. Walking improves joint mobility, increases bone density, and lowers fracture risk. The Arthritis Foundation recommends daily walking to reduce pain, stiffness, and inflammation. Strong bones aren't built by rest, they're built by repetition. Your back starts healing itself. Back pain loves inactivity. Walking pumps nutrients into spinal discs, strengthens posture muscles, and stabilizes the spine without impact. Better posture, more flexibility, less pain. And yes, you might even stand a little taller. Your mind finally slows down. Walking doesn't distract the mind, it resets it. The Journal of Psychiatric Research reported that walking 30 to 45 minutes a day significantly reduced symptoms of major depression. Another study from Iowa State University showed walking improved mood, even when participants didn't expect it to. Walking with someone you love, that effect doubles. Bonus, the FIT formula, your walking blueprint. Don't rush, don't overdo it. Remember FIT. F, frequency. 3 to 5 days a week is enough. Consistency beats intensity. I, intensity. You should be able to talk, not gasp. If breath disappears, slow down. T, time. Aim for 30 minutes, or start with 5 and build up. Progress slowly. Change one variable at a time. That's how walking stops being exercise and becomes transformation. So, is walking worth it? Or maybe you're already living proof. Drop your experience in the comments. Share this with someone who needs a push. And if you're ready to change your health one step at a time, you already know what to do.